is agile, compact, and unmistakably Nissan. Juke EV carries personality and emotion, showing that intelligence and character belong together. Always bold, always distinctive, and now fully electric. But our vision goes beyond relevance. It is about inspiration. Nissan Xterra returns for those who value authenticity and capability. Built for real adventure with body-on-frame strength and purpose-driven design. And finally, a name that represents the origin and soul of Nissan, Skyline, a reimagined icon of Japanese engineering and driving passion with performance and precision.